What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Sounds Nerdy channel. Here at CES 2026, I am in Samsung booth checking out the Galaxy Z Trifold. Now, I've been waiting to get my hands on it to see how it looks and feel in person, so let's take a look at it. Now, it has been out in Asia, but we don't have it here in the United States. But the specs are already out there, but just very quickly, let me just give you a rundown on the specs real quickly. It is a 10-inch screen when it's unfolded all the way. Obviously, it's going to be the AMOLED screen from Samsung. 120 hertz refresh rate. It is running the Snapdragon 888 chip. Has 16 gigabytes of RAM. Storage options are 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte options. In terms of camera setup, it is a triple rear camera setup with 200 megapixel for the main camera. Battery is 5600 milliamps with 45 watt hour for wired charging. Now, I would like to see Samsung bump that battery size up, but as we know, Samsung and their battery history don't bet on that too much. Now, the screen on this device looks really good, and in person, the brightness, it still has that Samsung screen, so you know it's going to be very well brightness. So clocking in at 2600 nits, it is very bright and looks really good in person. Now, holding the device in my hand, it is actually very premium feeling, sturdy built device from Samsung. I'm actually very impressed with what they were able to accomplish with this trifold device right here. Now, again, we know how it folds in on itself, so you have the option to use it either in the cover screen or with the unfolded all three screens. Now, again, that is different from what Huawei Mate XT does, where you can actually use it in single cover screen, dual mode, or trifold all the way, so because it has like an accordion style. And the major difference also is that one edge of the screen on the Huawei Mate XT is always exposed. So in terms of durability, that is a concern for the Huawei Mate XT, and that's why Samsung went with this option here. So your screen is going to always be protected. Now, in terms of size, compared to like the Galaxy Z Fold, it is actually lighter and thinner than that device. And this is a device that is just 2 generations old, and this tripod is already thinner and lighter than that. So at its thickest point is 4.2 millimeters, and its thinnest is at 3.9 millimeters. So again, very thin, very nice compared to the Z Fold 5 here. And looking at the screen, the refresh rate, like I said, 120 hertz. It looks great. All your content on here looks amazing. Again, it looks like a very small 10-inch tablet here. So the idea is, if you have this, you can actually go ahead and just replace your tablet. There's no need to buy a tablet. If you already have this, you have a phone, you have a tablet, and if you have a laptop as well, that will complete your Samsung ecosystem. So again, the device is very well built. Very impressed by Samsung. Now, they are planning on bringing it to the United States. Again, we don't have any information in terms of time frame or pricing. But again, this is a very impressive device. I am very ecstatic about it, and I'm very excited to see when this is coming to the United States. Once again, folks, thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Again, if you are new here and enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button as well. And if you have friends and family that are interested in this type of content, make sure you share this with them. And for more CES videos, check out one of these 2 videos right here. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.